Hello everyone, my name is Anisha More and today's date is 14th of December and today my topic name is calling and return type of the method in the Java. So first we can discuss how to call the method in the Java. So method must be created by using a class with the name of the method which is followed by the parenthesis. Then the method definition consists of the method header and the method body. Then when we can create a method by using a method name, then it is a non-static method calling. Then method is the collection of a sequence that performs some specific task. It is a widely used because it's a provide reusability of a code. Then when the compiler read the method name, the method call and perform some task. There are some some type in the calling method in the Java, that is the calling predefined method, calling user defined method, then calling static method and calling abstract method. So first we can discuss the calling static method in the Java. So static method, it is a method that is invoked or called without creating object of the class. We can also create a static method by using the static keyword before the method name. Then we can call the static method by using the class name dot method name. This is the calling static method. Then second point is it is the calling predefined method. Predefined method, it is predefined method are these method are already defined in the class. Then when we require any predefined method, we just call the method and its class. Then calling you then third one, it is the calling user defined method. That is the to the call the user defined method. First we can create a method, then call it. It is a consist of the method header and method body. Then we can call the method by using the method name and parenthesis. This is the calling user defined method. Then coming to the next point, that is the return type in the method. So every method in a Java, it is declared with the return type, and it is the mandatory to return the type in the Java. Then a return type may be a primitive data type like integer, float, double, and a reference type and void type. This return type require a return statement at the end of the method. Then then for the instance, if the return type of some method in the boolean, then in that case we cannot return any integer. Then the variable receiving the value returned by the method must also be compatible with the return type specified by the method. This is the return type in the method. So these all informations are all about the calling and return type of the method in the Java. So thank you.